Hey guys, welcome back to the Girls. Make sure you guys subscribe to Convert Ocean Family. And today I'm going to be playing with this play-doh set. And it contains with electric drill, a toothbrush like drill, a brace maker. Comes with 5 Play-Dohs, toothbrush, the head, and then the teeth maker. So let's open it and let's just get started. So here's the first part of the thing, and then here's the next one. Super cool. Here's are the 5 Play-Dohs. Just to let you guys know, I already put a battery in this and I've opened this. That way, half of the video is not boring things and just like opening things. There we go. So, and then here's the the brace maker. Braces. Here is the little tooth maker. Here are the things to tongs to pull out the teeth. Here is the mirror that goes in your mouth and you can look in the dark place. And then here's a toothbrush where you can put some Play-Doh under and do the toothbrush. I'm going to put that to the side and get started. Okay, so I'm going to get this right here and put this together. There, it's all together. Oh, you guys fell. Whoops, you guys totally fell. Well, you guys fell. Okay. There. There we go. Yeah, you guys can see everything. So, let's get started. Okay, it comes with 4 Play-Dohs. Here's the head, and then here's all the teeth. Okay, so let's get started. I'm so sorry, guys. I need to fix the camera. Okay, so anyways, let's do it. Let's use these and make some teeth first. I don't want to use this one. I want to use this one better. I don't know why. This one looks more soft. I'm going to use this to get it out. So let's scoop it on out. Scoop some Play-Doh out. And scoop more out. This is not supposed to be scooped out, but I am using it for that. Okay. Let's get some more Play-Doh out. Can you guys see? Trying to get it out. So guys, while I scoop it out, I'm gonna get you guys later. Okay guys, so I scooped out everything in there. So here it is. I'll see if it stretches. Oh, it kind of does. Wow. Okay, so let's get the mold and then start putting it in. So I'm gonna make 2 of them at the same time because that's what it has. So what you're gonna want to do is you're going to put one in here, one on this side and one on this side. And then one on this side, one on this side, and then close it up, and then it'll go together. So I'm going to make some, and then I'll get you guys back, but not yet, that you guys can see the process of just doing some of them. I'm going to need another one. Okay, so now we're going to put it together, and you're going to want to squeeze it. Okay. Okay, now you're going to want to open it. And there are the teeth. They'll either be on one side, but they're full-grown teeth like that. So I'm going to put it in the head, in the head, I mean in the like mouth. So I'm gonna keep making them and then I'll get you guys back. Okay guys, so I'm gonna have to open another Play-Doh that I can do the rest of these teeth and the teeth up here. So yeah. Guys, I didn't have enough for I didn't have enough Play-Doh for all of it. Well, so yeah. And some of the teeth came out blue because I opened the can, guys, and it was blue. So maybe I used the wrong color, but yeah. They look pretty good. They're falling out, though. So yeah, they're super cool. So now I'm going to drill some holes, and yeah, let's do it. So let's do this one right here. You press this button, you have to put batteries. I already put batteries and everything. So ready, 1, 2, 3. There's one hole. Let's do another one way over here. Let's do another one down here. Okay, let's do one right here. Okay, let's do one more. And just one more. Let's do one right here. Okay, that's enough. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna cover them up with this. So put some Play-Doh in this so you guys can see how the toothpaste works. Okay, so now get the Play-Doh and you push it. And there is your toothpaste. Super cool. Let's brush them teeth. Brush those teeth. Make sure you guys brush your teeth. That tongue, 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 tongue. Up, 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 up. Brush them, brush them, brush. Okay, guys, so we brushed our teeth. I need to get all this Play-Doh out. So when I get the Play-Doh out, we'll move on. Yay! Okay, guys, so now that I did that, I'm going to skip out some more of the pinkish, orangish color. And what else do we need to use? This thing right here. Let's make some braces. Right here. So, gonna roll it out. So we're rolling it out. Now let's go like this. Ready? Yay, we need to do a little deeper though. There! How cool that is! So cool. Okay, so now I'm going to use this as a cutter because it didn't come with a cutter. Or just peel them out. Okay, so now I'm going to get, here you guys can't see me. Now I'm going to get this. Sorry, camera is really bad. So now I'm going to get this right here and put it right there. That's a brace. Might not look like one on camera, but it does here. They're not really squared. Or like rectangular square. There we go. You know how people get only like a couple braces? That's what we're going to do. So we're just going to put them on the teeth that need it. So like the cavities. One right here, one right here. And then one more. We need, so let's do it again. How fun. Okay. Let's put it right here. Okay guys, so now that it's all done, like that, we're gonna pull some teeth out. Let's get started. Let's pull out this teeth. this one. Oh, I can't get it. I need some help with my drill. Drill it out. Oh. Oh, we didn't get all of it. Gotta drill some more. Drill it out. Ah. Gotta drill that root out. Oh, yes. Guys, I would not be a good dentist. I wouldn't. No, you're not supposed to do that, though. Okay, so that's just going to stay in there. Let's pull some more teeth. One right there. One right there. And one right there. Okay. Okay, guys, so that is going to probably be the end of this video. We used everything. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure if you haven't already, make sure you guys hit the like button. Come on, let's get this video to 3 million views. If you guys do, we will do a challenge or something really, really crazy. So yeah, make sure you guys hit that bell, hit that subscribe button, and yeah, we really want to get to 100, guys. We need to get to 100. Come on, you guys can do it. Okay, guys, so we hope you guys enjoyed this video, and peace out.